Smoothie.
Go ahead with your order.
Yes, ma'am. I would like one peanut butter and jelly smoothie.
I'm sorry, no longer have grape concentrate. Strawberry.
Can I get strawberry banana cream smoothie?
Okay, we have strawberry banana, but we don't have nothing that would have cream in it.
Well, what about, can I get an Oreo Blast smoothie?
No, we don't have no biscuits and cream.
Well, can I get 6 large biscuits and gravy smoothie?
Sir, we don't serve that.
You don't serve biscuits and gravy smoothie?
No, we don't.
Well, fuck it, just give me a lemonade smoothie.
Do you want a strawberry lemon twist or a banana lemon twist?
I just want a regular lemonade smoothie.
Okay, I have it put at the window.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I just don't know how pissed off I was getting. Like, who the fuck is playing me at 6 o'clock in the damn